I'm Wendy. Today's class is all about the earth element, strengthening and reconnecting to our center, slowing down and feeling grounded. In our Qigong practice, I will guide you through a little story about a snake. We will enhance our practice with Yin yoga for the stomach and spleen meridians. Let's begin. Let's start activating the Qi, flossing the shoulders, bouncing the knee, warming up the fascia, shaking it out. Releasing any tension and stagnation in the body, any negative emotions, shaking out the legs, adding some twisting movements, shaking a little faster. And holding the Qi. Cleansing breaths. Inhale. Exhale through a small hole of your mouth. Inhale, fresh energy, fresh Qi. Exhale, release. Inhale, expand. Exhale, release. Stepping out to the side, rolling the Qi ball, moving your hips from side to side, beginning to warm up the inner thighs, rotating the spine on its axis by moving your shoulders up and down, traveling to one side and then the other, and coming back up through the center. Step back in. Two hands moving heaven, interlace the fingers, reach up onto the balls of your feet, release the feet and bend to the side, twist, reach up, side bend and twist. Release the hands. Opposite interlace with the fingers, reaching up, squeezing the liver on the right side. Inhale up and squeezing the spleen on the left side. Release the hands gently down by your side. Slow, steady breathing, focusing on the lower dantian. Let's start warming up our legs for snake Qigong. There are two main positions for the legs: our side lunge with the front foot facing forward, back leg straight, and the toes turning slightly inwards. Changing sides. Toes facing forward, knee tracking over the toes, spine upright. Our second position, the front lunge, the bent leg, foot is at 45 degrees, and the straight leg, the toes are facing forward. Once again, keeping the spine upright. Snake Qigong for the earth element. Turn to the side, left hand out in front is your snake's head. Bring the right hand up the tail and hook it up in the tree. The head comes down the tree and waits in the grass. The snake spots its prey and creeps through the grass, reaching forward, capturing the prey. Bring the hands together, the other hand in the tree. The head comes down the center, waiting in the grass, spotting its prey, creeping through the grass, front lunge, capturing the prey, side lunge. Hands together, the tail sits in the tree, the head descends, waits in the grass, front lunge, creeps through the grass, shifts to a side lunge as it captures its prey. The mouth is open wide, swallowing, digesting, then descending down through the center, becoming grounded, spotting the prey, creeping through the grass and capturing the prey. Descending, focusing, grounding. Coming back in, draw the energy down through your center. Take a deep breath in, releasing any anxiety or worry. Take a deep breath in, breathing in the color brown, the color of the earth. Inhale, feeling nurtured and supported, and bring these feelings down through your spiritual center, your heart center, and storing them into the lower dantian, your vitality center. Yin Yoga for the earth element. Our first pose is dragon, which is a deep hip and groin opener. We're stretching the hip flexors and quads on the back leg and stimulating the stomach meridian. Allow yourself to be comfortable in the pose, holding for time. If you wish to hold the poses longer, please pause the video. Usually 1 to 3 minutes for beginners. Gently tuck the toes under, coming into downward facing dog as a counter pose, stretching the spine and the legs. Gently alternating the heels. Coming into tabletop position, changing sides, creeping the back leg back till you find that appropriate stretch for you in the groin and hip flexors. And using our yin principles of holding steady, relaxing in the pose, keeping the body as soft as possible. gently come out, coming into downward facing dog, stretching the spine, the back of the legs, the heels. And then making your way down to our rebound, allowing the chi to flush through the body, practicing our internal listening, our tinging. Our second pose is cat pulling its tail. Slide the top leg forward, bend the back leg and clasp the foot if you can. Releasing the arm and turning the head to the back leg. The target area is the quadriceps on the bent leg, and you'll feel a slight compression of the spine and a gentle twist, stimulating the stomach meridian. Slowly release out of the pose, coming into a rebound for a few breaths. And changing sides. The top leg goes forward, the back leg bends, holding onto the foot, releasing the shoulder back down and the arm out, and turning your head to the bent leg. Relax in the pose, soften the breathing, releasing the muscles of the legs. Gently coming out of the pose and coming into a rebound on your back. Allowing the chi to flush through and noticing any internal sensations. Our last pose is windshield wipers. Bring the feet out wide, your arms out in T position, and gently take the knees to one side and then the other side. And the next time we'll hold the knees down. Feeling a nice stretch in the quadriceps and also the inner thigh, our stomach and spleen meridians. This is a gentle spinal twist. Spinal twists are great at the end of a practice to recalibrate the nervous system. Bring the legs up, taking the knees to the other side and back again, and then settling down to the opposite side. Allowing the legs to relax as much as possible, softening in the pose, coming into stillness. Gently coming up, bringing one knee up at a time, having a little rock from side to side, and then making our way into our final resting pose, Shavasana. Feel the earth beneath you, feeling grounded and supported. Stand behind your intentions and dreams with clarity and integrity. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button or leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our next video.